Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Unreal Engine 5 Virtua Co-op tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to make our enemy AI to shoot at us, and that shooting will make our character die, and the game over screen will pop up. Let me show you here. So they will wait for second, and then they will shoot at us like that. And if you shoot them before they shoot at us, you will be safe. But if no, then they will shoot at you and the game will be over and the game will be paused. So we will achieve this in this tutorial. You can get project files on the Patreon. So let's jump into the tutorial. So for that, first of all, we need to go back to our BP enemy AI. Uh, so, so this one. Now from the previous tutorials, you know that whenever we spawn AI here, let me show you again. Whenever the enemy spawns, he spawns here and then he moves towards this location. And after that, they rotate towards us and pointing the weapon towards us. Right now, after doing all this thing, we are now we will now make the AI enemy to shoot at us. So it's very simple. This is our logic. So whenever the AI spawns, he moves towards a desired location and then he rotates and pointing the weapon. So basically this boolean is responsible for changing the animation from the state machine in from inside the animation blueprint. So from there we will make it to shoot at us, but simply we will do it in a very simple way. So first of all, let's make another custom event here. Event AI shoot, right. So okay. So after that, this event will be called, and we will now put a logic here. So first of all, uh, we will attach. We will want to make a muzzle fire VFX or something like that. So where we want that, we we want that at the edge of the attached weapon. So this is a weapon which is spawning. So let's find it. This is here. So if we go here, so muzzle, and that's the edge where the fire or bullet particle system will be spawned here. So let's arrow add arrow here. Arrow direction. Fine. So now go back to our enemy AI. And now from our previous tutorial, we have the reference of our weapon. We will use that reference here. And what was the name of the arrow? Arrow underscore muzzle. So first of all, we will use spawn emitter at location. So get arrow underscore muzzle world location, right? We will attach it. Actually, we need to get the rotation also. Uh, get uh, so bad of me. World transform actually. Yeah. From there, we will plug in location and the rotation. And we will use a simple explosion which is available inside the Unreal Engine, and you can use your own system. And I think and that explosion is too big. Let's make it 0.4. Well, great. Right after the shoot, we want to make our weapon, make our main character die. For that, we will use cos to pp first person pawn, get player pawn, and inside the first person pawn, that is our main character, we have to make a new custom event here. Event health. So, or we can also call it death. So, because we want our character to die on just by getting just single shot from the enemy, so that's uh, we can add health system here, progress bar through progress bar, or any other systems also there. Right now, for the simplicity, just add death. On the death, we just want our character. We want to pause the game. So for now, we will pause again here, and we can also add uh, end screen, game over screen here, and try again screen here, and we can do a lot of things here. But right now, just for the testing purpose, we will use set game pause. So that, but just instead of set game pause, let's do something interesting. We already have our gameplay widget set up from our previous tutorials. So let's open it. You can find it content virtual cop first person BP. Let's open it, and in there we will add a new canvas panel like that, and let's drag it here and name it CP gain over. And inside there we can put image, I background. Okay, so like that, and let's make it uh, and in there let's write a text here. Okay. In the center somewhere, wherever you want, and write here game over, and increase the size. Okay, fine. Now we have this setup. Now go back to canvas panel and make it is variable, and initially make it hidden, and in there in the graph we create another custom event and name it as uh, game over. And when we call that game over screen, we want that eye background to come up front. Set, oh, sorry, I mean we need to, yeah, set visibility, and we just need to make it visible. And after that we need to set game pause. Now it's okay to set game pause. Now we are so whenever the enemy ends his rotation, a shooting will be called and explosion will happen, and from there we have to call the death event. Death event. Now again in the sequence. When the enemy spawns, he moves to his desired location. After that, he rotates towards our first person character, and then he will call the shooting event. Explosion take place on the muzzle or at the edge of the weapon, and after that, we will call the death event because we are making our character to die right after getting hit by just one bullet. So instead of using a set game paused, from our previous tutorials, we have the reference of widget blueprint gameplay ref, and we are getting here on the event we can play from there, right? So simply call the game over event from the gameplay widget. This one, event. Okay, perfect. Now again, rotation ends, shooting will happen, and death event will be called, and this death event will call game over screen, and this will put that game over canvas panel up front and make the game to pause. Now let's check it, is it working fine or not. Character spawning, okay, so it's happening too early because in there we need to make some delay here, like a delay of 1 second. Yeah, now they will move again. This delay is now we have put the delay here, and now we need to put delay here also. A delay of about 0.6 seconds would be fine. Let's see. Yeah, now it's working perfectly fine. Let's test it again. So if they shoot at us first, then we will be dead. And if we kill them, then we will be safe. Okay. So in the next tutorial, we will make a progress bar here, like you used to see in actual Virtua Cop game, around about here. But instead of that round circle around the enemy body, we will make it just a simple progress bar here. So when the character will reach his final target position, this progress bar will start to drop or reduce. And when the progress bar hits the end of it, after that the enemy will shoot at us. But if you shoot the enemy before the progress bar uh, becomes empty, you can kill the enemy. Otherwise, the enemy will shoot at you. So we will do that in the next tutorial. So if you like it, please share it, and we'll see you in the next tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.